I'd like to add to my comments with regards to the Bank of America situation. It was brought to my attention that the bailout that the government issued to all the financial institutions carried with it strings, and the fact that Bank of America was required to make the types of loans to free up the credit that Republic required. But I don't believe in the bailout. A lot of talk has been made with regards to the housing market and how, with all the subprime mortgages, that it created a credit crunch. Well, consider this. Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae were basically created to absorb up mortgages that a regular financial institution would not want to make or hold. They were being backed by the government, very much like student loans are. This allowed our primary mortgage companies to loan out money, knowing that they could then sell that onto these other institutions, Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae, and allow them to make loans that left their own accord with their own money they probably would have never done. What ended up happening was basically a game of hot potato. Even my own mortgage was started with one company, was sold to another, and then sold to a third. What caused the credit crunch? Somebody got left holding the bag. And now they come to the government in hopes of bailing them out. Well, unfortunately, it was the government-backed money that started the crisis to begin with. The whole notion being, let's create loans for individuals that might have difficulty, where the public good outweighed business sense. And so my comments about Republic and the notion of if they can't manage their business without going into the hole also applies to Bank of America and other financial institutions. If they cannot make wise business decisions, then they need to move aside and let someone else do it if they're not up to the task. Just my comments.